What if I told you these free AI tools can save hours of your work every single day? Number 7 will completely surprise you. Most people still waste hours doing work manually, while AI can finish the same task in just a few minutes. Tool number 1 is perfect for research. Instead of searching dozens of websites, AI gives you complete answers within seconds.
Need a professional presentation? AI can build beautiful slides automatically without spending hours designing. Second, imagine creating realistic voiceovers in seconds. This AI tool sounds almost like a real human. Need amazing images? Just type a few words, creates professional artwork in seconds.
Creating videos no longer takes days. AI can generate cinematic videos from a simple text prompt.
Developers can save countless hours because AI writes, fixes, and even explains code instantly. Imagine finishing your daily office work before lunch. That's the power of AI automation.
We're only halfway through, and the next 5 AI tools are even more powerful. Don't miss what's coming next. Forget AI writing meeting notes. AI automatically records, summarizes, and organizes every important discussion. Can anyone in the world? AI translate conversations instantly with impressive accuracy.
Review complete. Key obligations flagged and anomalies highlighted.
Send final report to legal and archive the rest.
Raw numbers become powerful business insights. AI analyzes complex data faster than ever before.
The best AI tools are still coming. Stay with me because the final 3 can completely transform the way you work. What if you could build an entire website without writing a single line of code? AI makes it possible. AI makes it possible. Need a professional logo or brand identity? AI'd everything in just a few clicks. AI can design in just a few clicks.
Looking for a job? AI can build a professional resume that looks clean, modern, and ready to impress. Customize portfolio. Looking for a job? AI can build a professional resume that looks clean, modern, and ready to impress. Students can learn faster with AI tutors that explain even the hardest topics in a simple way.
Editing videos no longer takes hours. AI can automatically cut, polish your videos, and polish your videos in minutes.
Managing social media becomes effortless when AI schedules your content and tracks performance automatically.
Connect all your apps together and let AI automate repetitive tasks while you focus on what really matters. Now we're entering the top 5. The remaining AI tools are the most powerful ones that can completely transform the way you work. Agentic reasoning engine tools. Imagine researching for hours. Imagine researching for hours. Businesses are saving hundreds of hours every month by letting hundreds work automatically, by letting AI handle repetitive work automatically.
Think of it as your personal assistant that never sleeps and helps you stay productive every single day. This is the most powerful AI tool on today's list, capable of saving countless hours and transforming the way you work forever.
Don't leave yet. The final AI tool is something almost nobody knows, and it could become your biggest productivity advantage.
These 10 AI tools can help you research faster, create content, edit videos, build websites, automate work, and become far more productive.
If you want more free AI tools, tutorials, and future technology, don't forget to subscribe because new AI videos are coming every week. The future belongs to those who learn AI today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.